In our previous video, we have seen how we can download and install the SQL Server Management Studio. So we can use that SQL Server Management Studio in order to query, design, and manage our databases. That can be SQL Server to Azure SQL Server database. So it was just a tool. Now we are going to install SQL Server, to which we will connect and use the database engine. Once you will open the download folder, you have to run. Let's say we are going to start with the basic, and we have to accept, and we have to give the location where we want to install. It can be either C, D, whatever drive you want to install. You just need to click on install, and there are some steps that need to be covered, and you need to provide your options in order to complete the installation. So this is how we can install the SQL Server, and then later on we can connect with the database engine with the help of SQL Server Management Studio.